forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffett.
Good morning and happy Thursday. If you're just tuning in with us this morning, we still have impacts set to move into our region later this afternoon for the Duluth area, but currently we do have folks off to our west in Brainerd already starting to see some of those impacts. We have a winter weather advisory in place for most of the region. That is those counties shaded in purple. You'll notice Duluth right there on that fringe. Most of northeastern Minnesota not in the advisory, and the UP is also not in the advisory. The system has shifted so much further south that it's kind of just going to clip most of us here in the Northland and bring us a couple of inches through Friday nights. Big picture wise, here's the system. Low pressure off to our north and west of Winnipeg, extending south with that warm front, which is bringing a lot of that moisture to start off this system. We're going to kind of see two rounds of precip, I think. The first one obviously being this morning. Most of it already shifting down to the south. You're going to notice as it approaches Duluth, starts to kind of shift. There's a lot of dry air. The Lake Superior doesn't help. We've got an east wind that's going to be in place this afternoon, which only helps push in more of that warm air off of Lake Superior into the further inland. Obviously, a lot of dry air behind this as well, so that is a major factor and kind of what's changed the forecast model trend, and a lot of it's shifted further south. So you'll notice Brainerd started to see that rain-snow mix shifting all the way over to snow already because there is a little bit cooler air in place. So that's what's going to be the trend. You're going to start to see that rain-snow mix transition completely into snow. By the time it does arrive in the Twin Ports, it will be a snow, but it will be a wet, heavy snow. Now I want to show Brainerd. This is the live look off of their intersection there. So here's what the roads look like this morning. Already snow covered in some of the areas off to the west. So this is what can be expected if you are traveling out there this morning. Slick road cover. We're already seeing snowfall as well. So those snow-covered roads are going to start picking up because they are in that 3 to 6 range. Brainerd. Winds, of course, 31 degrees, and visibility has also been an issue. We're at 1.5 mile visibility. So low visibility. We've got snow falling in several areas. So that, of course, is going to impact your morning commute for many people. Not here in the Twin Ports necessarily, but for many of our region, we are going to see that impact. You'll notice 10 o'clock, even through the afternoon, 4 o'clock, just approaching the Twin Ports by 4. Most of the Arrowhead and the North Shore, dry. Most of the UP, dry, because the entire system has shifted so much further south that the main bulk of this system is kind of shifted right through the central region. So Twin Cities, Hayward, Eau Claire, and even Hinckley could see those higher totals. Here in the Twin Ports, though, we are going to be clipped by this system. We're going to see off and on snow shower activity from this evening through tomorrow afternoon. Here's midnight tonight through tomorrow morning. You'll notice still shifting further south of the Twin Ports before it kind of comes to an end Friday afternoon, still being kind of focused on folks in northern Wisconsin. Still warmer temperatures, obviously bringing in a lot of that rain with this system. So it is going to be a messier system. It's not going to be a light, fluffy snow and by any means. And we still will pick up a good 1 to 3 inches, which is enough to make slick roads here even in downtown Duluth. So keep that in mind through the overnight hours tonight. 3 to 6, though, is for our areas off to the west. They're already seeing that snow. I showed you the road conditions in Bemidji, so that's what can be expected as the hours continue into tomorrow afternoon. 7-day forecast, temperature-wise, we still remain mild today, tomorrow in those 30s. I mean, even Saturday and Sunday, temperature sitting in those mid-20s still won't be all that bad because average temperature is 19 degrees, and we don't really get closer to that until early next week even.
Wow.
So, I mean, although it will feel cooler out there, it did feel cooler this morning, I think, even. That's only because the winds are going to be much stronger today, tomorrow, and into Saturday. So.
I've noticed that even yesterday in comparison to some days earlier.
Yes.
Those winds do make a difference. Of course, that's the Midwest mantra.
If it wasn't for the wind, it wouldn't be that bad.
If it wasn't for the wind, it wouldn't be that bad.
Yeah,
but these are kind of the temperatures and conditions that we've been waiting for.
Exactly. So
patiently.
Now it's here. Take it slow when you're out on the roads.
Absolutely. Thank you, Caitlin.
Yep.